My name is Bhuta. I live in Mumbai, and I had a skin disease called psoriasis. I was here for the treatment of the same and also for the obesity. I stayed here for 10 days. I did fasting for 8 days. I lost almost 7.5 kg during this fasting. And on the last day, I break my fast and had nice sattvic ahar. And obviously, about the skin disease, I almost recovered almost 60% out of it, and it has cured my skin quite a bit. बहुत अच्छा लगा और overall it is a holistic approach, so it is not about one particular subject. I also learn various things about how to live a life, how to approach a life, how to balance our life, and simultaneously I understood that there is something called gratitude, where we thank our body, we also say sorry to our body, we also say I love you to our body. It is simple words, but it makes sense when you are in that atmosphere. Apart from that, there is various process involved. बहुत सारी अलग अलग ट्रीटमेंट्स होती है आपके डिजीज़ के अकॉर्डिंगली, एंड मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग तक यू आर obviously doing one or other thing. और जो योगा है, प्राणायाम है, those are very helpful also, and if you manage to do it regularly, it will definitely cure any kind of a disease. Thank you so much.